Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to unlock the secret achievement called Romantic Scatter in Heartopia and get the badge. Actually this achievement is very easy to unlock. First just wait until a meteor shower event happens in Heartopia, and during this event you will need at least one friend to do this achievement together. Next just tap the interact icon above your friend's character and then choose the holding hands actions and wait until your friend accept the interaction so your character starting holding hands, and after that just go together to the ice skating ring like this, and once you're there start doing skating movement together while holding hands like this, and just like that you will automatically unlock the secret achievement Romantic Scatter and receive the badge. And okay, that's how you can unlock the secret achievement in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!